So during this session, we're going to say thank you to one another, but not for coming here today, for taking time for your mental health. I'm a huge advocate of mental health because I have suffered a great deal. I continue to suffer, but every day I try to work on myself to be better for myself, not for anybody else, because self-talk, how are you suffering? Not, yes, the other people might experience you through your self-talk, but because of your self-talk. So thank you very much for investing this time.